Hi everybody, I'm preparing this video series, so it will be more videos where I will be explaining how our digestive system works from the beginning until the end and how this influences our health. So how our normal digestive system works on a normal healthy body, and then I will explain what is unhealthy digestive system and what can go wrong in each and every part from the beginning until the end of our digestive system and how that influence our overall health. Okay, so this will be very interesting video series, and in order not to miss any of the videos, if you haven't subscribe, because I will send an email for every new video. If you haven't, you have to follow either my page and check regularly, or if you want to receive it on your email, just subscribe on the link in the description, and I will send you every time a new video releases. Okay, so let's get started. Our digestive system is made up of two organs. So organ number one is a hollow organ, which is like a twisted tube starting from the mouth and going down till the anus. So this hollow organ, which is called GI tract, gastrointestinal tract, is starting from the mouth, then goes to esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. And this is called GI tract. So our digestive system is 9 meters long, and the food travels from 30 to 40 hours from the beginning until the end. So this GI tract is composed from the hollow organs, and the other one is from solid organs. And this is liver, pancreas, and one more organ. So if you know which one is this third organ, please write in the comments. And I will let you know in the next video if you got it right. So all this is making our food goes and moves from the beginning of the digestion until the end by the muscles, by contracting the muscles, which is called peristalsis. What happens when we eat? The digestive system, the digestion starts. I recently asked one question. So the digestion starts in the mouth, true or false? And most of the people replied yes. Only one replied no. The digestion starts from the brain, which was correct. And that was Walid Ali. Congratulations, you got the correct answer. So the digestion actually starts in our brain. So imagine when you smell nice food, like delicious, and you come back home and it smells like a nice meal and nice lunch. And immediately from the brain, you start feeling that saliva is produced and you become more hungry, right? And also, if you see somebody else, let's say he's cutting a lemon and is squeezing it and is licking it, and if you are watching that, only from watching that happening in front of you, your mouth starts producing saliva. So from your brain, it's triggered the production of saliva, which is actually preparing your digestive system to receive the food. So saliva is produced in the salivary glands, which are around inside our mouth, around the teeth up and down. There are 3 or 4, I think, glands who produces saliva. And saliva is rich in amylase. It's an enzyme which breaks the starches, the complex carbohydrates, into simple sugars that our body can absorb. It also is combined with water and electrolytes. Our body, during one day, it produces 1.5 liters of this kind of mucus, which is helping our digestion work properly. It also produces lingual lipase, which helps break down fats. Our mouth is constantly flushed with saliva, which cleans out our teeth from food debris. Saliva is produced more during day and less during night when we sleep. That's why this results in bacteria to grow, to build up, and this results in a bad breath in the morning. The saliva also, salivary glands, produces an enzyme called lysosome, which breaks down the walls of the bacteria and prevents them to overgrowth. The researchers believes that by testing the saliva, they can predict and diagnose and prevent many health diseases. So let's see if this can happen. So now we go to the next organ. So first one was the brain. Next one is the mouth accepting the food and starts digesting. And after the mouth, the peristalsis, the muscles contract and we swallow with the muscles the food and it goes to esophagus. So does anybody know how long is the esophagus? So if you know, write in the comments, how long is the esophagus? So when we swallow the food, the nerves which are on the wall of the esophagus senses the food and triggers the peristalsis. The muscle contracts and release. So the muscle contracts behind the food and release below. So it pushes down the food down into the stomach. So it also transports the fluid and the food together from the mouth into the stomach. So when the food reaches the lower part of the esophagus, and when it builds up, the pressure from the food triggers the esophagus sphincter. It's like a muscle which is opening and closing. So it triggers it to open and release the food from the esophagus down into the stomach. So it relaxes and releases the food to go further down. So let's see what happens next in the next videos. So please follow this page and sign up, write your email. So I will immediately inform you when the next video releases. And this will be very interesting. See you next time. Bye.